taking my magnesium and turmeric. 55 years old. Feel pretty good. What I want to talk about in this video is how much I make on YouTube and why I do YouTube. Okay, I started this 10 years ago in 2015, and I think some of you will end up figuring out things. Go look at the first video I ever made. Look at the earplug in my right ear. I absolutely have loved this journey. I took an empty garage full of boxes and I created a space I could create. And I believe, and I've talked about this in many of my other videos, I created what's called my hovel. And if you Google hovel, it's basically a chaotic space that people create, and it's meant to be chaotic. All types of leaders, including Einstein, had one. No, I'm no Einstein. I'm not even that smart. I mean, I may be. I did pass physics and calculus, but I think I'm more creative than I am smart. But so I got a comment. I made a video about how I decreased my tinnitus volume using a simple tens unit, and I listened to the audio of my sound. And someone said on the thing, and I know I shouldn't respond to trolls, said, "Why are you basically giving false information for views?" So I wasn't selling anything. I want to share that you don't make any money on views. First of all, you have to have it monetized. Then you at least have to have 1,000 views. For every 1,000 views, you get this amount of money. It's 8 cents. It's literally nothing. The amount of electricity it takes to do everything, to pay for things, and not to mention that I have the courage enough to get in front of a camera and take the time. I also put my exact name everywhere. I put my name in Reddit. I talk about, my name's Ryan. I have my web URL. People are hiding behind these YouTube fake names, and they're not being themselves, as if maybe they don't want to get sued or they're not being honest. But you know, it's really interesting about how someone that uses a fake username calls me dishonest. So how much I make on YouTube, it's usually around $76, could be up to $180. My electric bill, because of my shop, easily exceeds that when I use my plasma cutter, if I do the electronics. So I'm kind of curious, what do views give me? Because I'm going to die. I'm not taking anything with me. And I'm not ever, so basically someone that gets 500 views is a joke video. I'm sorry, if you've made a YouTube video and you've gotten 36, I commend. But really the video count you want to get and what you really want to do with YouTube is make a viral video that actually changes people's lives. But for a little niche topic, even like tinnitus, having the sound in your ear, you're never going to do that. So for someone to say I'm dishonest for making 8 cents, wouldn't I rather just go mow my lawn? I just don't understand that person is so negative that they at least don't look at the entire video and say, wow, this guy's really going out there and providing news. I was talking about the Susan Shore device that was coming up, and I was talking about all this hope, and someone just says that. I kind of wonder sometimes, you know, there's this thing called psychosomatic where you can actually, I made a whole video on it, I'll link it down below, where you actually are so negative, negative things happen to you, right? You can have an injury and then you don't recover from the injury because you're so negative. I think what people suffer for more than anything, than disease and stuff, is their own selves. The fact that the cup's not half full. The fact that you woke up today is the number one thing that you need to have gratitude for. The fact that anyone finds any hope, even if I was being dishonest and I found relief in making a video, just don't watch my video. Just don't watch my video. So I don't make anything on YouTube. I don't make anything on views. And as far as, I have people looking at me, no one talks to me. No one, I do this because I like to do it. I want to give something back to the world. I don't want to be in this world and have a fake username. I want to change things the best I can ability. I feel it in my heart. I was raised by people that I have family and pictures behind me of of aunts and uncles that really were changers. And that's what I want to do. So the fact that anyone would say that I was dishonest, they don't know me and just don't watch my content. And I know I shouldn't respond to trolls, but I'm going to keep doing what I do. And I hope that maybe you change your username to your real name and you start being honest with yourself. Because there is a thing called the placebo effect. The fact that if you feel like something is making you feel better, you may in fact doing it. There's tons of science in terms of overcoming cancer and people's positive mood and all the drugs that are released, especially endorphins and all types of things when you are positive. So don't watch people's content if you don't agree with it, and just stay off YouTube. Why don't you just go for a walk or something like that? Because people aren't making money on YouTube. If they are, they're lying. The way that you make money is if you probably came up with some product. There's such high competition right now that you can't do it. So the reason why I do it is to keep my brain sharp. I don't care what else is out there. What I really care about in my heart is I believe that I have information or will stumble upon information that may help people. And I have the courage enough to make a video and get out in the world and just share my good news. So peace out. Happy Saturday. I got some great football games. I had a successful barbecue last night with my cooker and my family was over. I'm very, very grateful. And I am having success with some other stuff. I'm just going to go ahead and say, don't subscribe to me. Don't like this video because that's not why I'm doing it. Peace out. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Thanks for watching me. And for anybody that believes in anything that I've done, I really appreciate you. I really appreciate the confidence and I really want to help you. And there's lots of ways you can connect up with me. Take care. Bye.